Are you looking to delete your Google account? Whether you're switching to a new account or just need a fresh start, here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in to the Google account you want to delete if you are not. Once signed in, click on Data and Privacy. Next, scroll down till the last section that is More Option. Under this section, there is two options available. Simply, you have to click on Delete your Google account. Now it will ask for your password. Put your Google account password in. And now, read through the information about deleting your account, and then click both of these boxes and click Delete Account. And there you have it. Your Google account is now deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.